Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to group tasks in ClickUp. So let's get started. First is to go to their website app.clickup.com. If you don't have an account yet, just sign up using your email address. It's very easy. And for us to group some task, just go to the space that you wanted to select the list. And here you could see that I'm currently in the landing page. I'm at the home page. So I'll select January task and I'll go to the action plan. You might want to select the list view so that it will be easier for you to view the task. So in this example, I'm going to select task A, B, C, to subtask and group it under group sample. So once you selected the check mark, just go to the upper tabs of the screen. You see a button right here that says convert to subtask. So just select on that. And this portion, you just need to select the name where you wanted to group the list that you selected. So click on group sample. So you would see that the page automatically refresh, and under the group sample is the 3 tasks that you selected. So that is actually it. And for you to make sure and view, just double click on this one. You would see that it was listed under subtasks. So there's 3 subtasks that is under the group sample right here. You can even put a note and then change the priority. So for us to remove, the other way around is to just click on the check mark and go back to the tab and convert to task, and same thing, it will refresh and go back to its original list. So that's just it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helped me reach more people. See you soon.